All right. This is number 86 of 100 for the 100-day project. Hi, Mia.
Hello. I'm
Joining me today. Today we are doing Shrinky Dinks.
Yes.
And in case I didn't mention, my name is Noemi LeNette for Noemi LeNette Arts. And Mia Moore from Mia Moore Levy TV. All right, so I may have done this when I was a child, maybe.
An adult child.
But we did see Mariah Elizabeth making some pins and keychains and things.
Yeah.
So I actually found this at
That Lily store.
I don't know if it was Walmart or
Ross.
no.
I
It
didn't.
may have been. I don't know where I got it from. I don't remember now. I think it was Joann's. Yes, it was a Joann's
Fine.
fabric.
It's called a Joanne.
Frosted white. Oh, I thought I got the clear one. Okay, that's all right. Frosted white.
Because you got some acrylic pins. Can I have one?
All right. Well, I think we're gonna cut this in half.
But that's the size I need.
I know, but it only shrinks down to a third of the size, so it's gonna be about this big. That's kind of big.
Yeah,
You
but
have to cut them down. Mariah cuts them down into 4.
yeah, but I need the space because I'm gonna make it big. Like big.
We're gonna try this out in 4.
3, 2, 1. Oh, it's still like plastic.
It feels like plastic.
It does.
All right. We now have 4 pieces. They might be the same, they might not. My pen, please, my pencil.
Excuse me?
And I guess we'll do like Mariah and sketch them out and then add our acrylic paint pens for color. All right, going into time lapse. Here we are.
I like it. It looks
How
like
cute they are.
I know, it looks like it was bought from the store though. That's how cute it is.
So I guess I have to put a coating on top of it. Probably some Mod Podge. And look at me. So here we are. Number 86 of 100 for the 100-day project. I'm gonna sign it and put my little Mod Podge over it. Thank you, Mia, for joining. Thank you all for watching and supporting the channel. Please like, subscribe, and share so that this series can join in the whole YouTube algorithm. All right, y'all. Be brave like the butterfly. See you next time. Ciao.